So this is going to be a video concerning THP Peugeot engines or oil level. Now I've done it before, how to check the oil level on THP engines. That one you can go and check. Just go to, if I find the link, I'll put it on the video description. But right now it's about we have to leave the oil level on the dipstick. Now THP engines or EP6 engines generally, these are turbo or direct injection engines that Peugeot started producing in the late 2000s. I know you find it in 308 and the rest, just carry late 2000s. So they are notorious for burning oil or drinking oil. Let me just leave it at that. So remember, these are timing chain engines. They are not timing belts. So the timing chain means oil needs to be lubricating the chain, the timing chain tensioners and timing chain guide. All those components of that timing chamber needs to be constantly being lubricated while the engine is running. So in that case, your engine needs to you need to buy quality oil, recommended one, and enough oil to stop your engine from getting damaged. So because of also that it's been notorious for oil consumption and the rest, if I were you, just keep the oil at the maximum, because it doesn't matter, it's going to drop. It doesn't matter how good your engine is, it's going to drop. So you don't have to really wait, like I explained in the other other Peugeot engines that I did in the previous video, where you have to keep the oil level below the maximum mark. But for this EP6 engine, get it, even if you can still keep it below the maximum. If I'm a car, I'll probably do that, but better. If you are not the type that check your oil level all the time, then you are better off leaving it at maximum mark. But sooner than you expect it, it's going to go down. They burn oil. That's what these engines are known for. Now, degree of oil burn depends on, sometimes could be your valve services with turbocharger with valve cover, that's a PCV valve with, and the rest. It could be your rings or pistons and the rest. So, but even if all those things are good, the oil level tends to drop much faster than the other Peugeot engines. So in that case, I will leave it at that maximum mark, or at least just a little bit below the maximum mark. My point is, there's no difference to me whether I want to keep it here or keep it here. So I'll just leave it here or leave it under. But like I said, it shouldn't apply to you. My advice to the other Peugeot engine users to keep it below maximum mark. That should not apply to you. So you can always leave it at the maximum mark. Your engine needs that oil. Trust me, you need enough oil to keep running compared to these other engines. So I think that's it. Just wanted to share that. I wanted to do a separate video so I won't join the two together. So that's it. Meanwhile, when you are putting this dipstick back, you may need to use two hands. Keep one hand here as you are putting it in. Even though I'm doing that without using the two hands, but I've been very careful, because if you don't do it very well, it will burn. And once it burns, the spring is dead. It won't work again very well. So okay, this engine is very dirty. I have to make out. I don't think I watched this engine for the past 2-3 years. I used to watch it like once a year, but man, at the point I was like, I don't really care that much anymore. Try to make my engine look good. It's good anyway, but I mean, does it really matter? But one of these days I watch it. That's the reason why I tend not to like doing that, or I feel lazy doing that. If you are not careful as you are watching it, water will start getting into especially this one, into the spark plug chamber. And once it enters there, wow, your misfire will start and the rest. So you will now be forced to dismantle all these things to drain those waters out. So that's why sometimes like, yeah, you know what, let me leave it as it is. Okay, so I hope this makes sense, and you learned something from this video. Alright, till the next one.